welcome back to Crab Nation. Today I have a different video for you guys. I made this vending machine.
Where's that froggy?
Right here. So I'm gonna show you how it works. I made it all, I just finished painted it this morning. So it says start right there. You can't really read it. And this is the stop button. This is quarters only, and then insert coin. So I'm gonna insert my coin right here. Okay. So how it works is then you hit start, and then you do this, and say I win a turtle, I guess. Let's try to win it first. So I'm gonna try to win it. If I don't win a turtle, whatever. So but when I win something, it goes down here, and I got it. And I get my quarter back too. That's how I did it. But so how does it work? So I installed this by making a hole right here in the box. Then we cut a pipe. It's plastic, but we cut it, and then I taped a red piece of paper to the top. Let me get a better angle for you guys. I taped a red ball to the top, paper ball to the top, and that's that. And then I cut a little slit right here so you can grab the toy. So this is the inside of it, though. If you want to see the inside of it, to take tape off. I closed it off with tape, and it says toy vending machine back. Warning, toys over back. If you're not an employee, you really can't get in here. Okay, so the inside, this is how it works. So we hot glued a platform. It's really stuck there. And then here, move it. This is basically, and this is how I put the toys in. Or sometimes I'll put them to the front. But then when it catches the coins, after you put the coins in, it catches them, right? And they go right here. They fall right here. And then, yeah, I'm gonna make a little bowl for them to fall into. But yeah, it's really that easy. And when you get a toy, this is here. I'll win a toy and show you how it works. Okay. So you guys are watching the inside, so I put a quarter in. Let me move this. I put a quarter in. Okay, then I press start, and then when I win a toy, like I press the red button and then take the toy out and get my quarter back. And that's basically how I win. How you win. And then put the toy back in. But yeah. So that's how to make it. Basically just open up a box, paint it. You don't have to paint it. I painted it though because it was a weird box. I didn't really like the box without paint. So I painted it. You don't have to paint it if you don't want it. But yeah, that's my toy vending machine. This is a pretty interesting vending machine, I would say too. So, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and bye!